Want to save tons of time creating and grading assessments? Join me and I'll show you how. Questions AI is a game-changing feature for teachers. At the click of a button, you can create assessments that grade themselves. The example we're using today is the student reader from the Louisiana Bayou Bridges curriculum, an open-source curriculum. This reader is filled with content and activities, but it doesn't check for understanding. I could create them myself, or I can use the AI Questions tool to do it in a fraction of the time. Here's how it works. Click on the Questions AI icon on the toolbar, and on the right side of your screen, select the Generate Questions button. Choose the grade level, in this case 4th grade, and select the pages you want to generate questions from. Let's pick pages 6 through 9. I'll generate 4 multiple-choice questions and 1 short answer question. You can also adjust the depth of knowledge level to differentiate or individualize your assessment questions further. Now, questions A. I will scan the document for content, whether it's text, pictures, charts, or data, and generate auto-grading questions from it. You can see the generated questions appear on the right in the Questions side panel. You can leave the questions there or drag them onto the page. Then choose to display them in full or change them to markers. Adjust their color and position as needed. You can also edit the questions, randomize their order, and change the points either on the side panel or the action bar, which pops up above the questions. Questions A. I created a hint for those students who might need a bit more support. If you don't need a hint, simply turn it off. For short answer questions, it has provided suggested keywords to be auto-graded as correct. If you want to use other words, just edit away. Want to see how it looks for students? Use the binoculars icon to preview and try the questions yourself. You'll get instant feedback based on the AI's keyword recognition. You can see here that I answered irrigation, and because it was one of the keywords, it gave me a point for it. Sometimes you have activities with pre-made questions. No problem. Use the convert option to turn them into auto-grading assessments. You can either convert the current document or choose to add in questions from another resource. Just select the pages you want. Click the Convert Questions button and let Kami do the rest. All the same editing and display options are available for converted questions. Our last option for the Questions AI tool is creating your own questions from scratch. This is fantastic for open-ended questions that encourage students to think creatively. Simply hit the plus button and type in your question. I'm going to choose not to grade this question. This flexibility lets you decide whether or not to assign point values based on the nature of the task. To assign your document, Kami integrates seamlessly with your learning management system, whether you're using Canvas, Schoology, or Microsoft Teams. Simply create an assignment using the Kami integration and assign the file. Or if you use Google Classroom, you can assign the file directly from Kami. Just click the Share button and choose Create Assignment. Don't forget to click here to control which tools students can use to ensure they provide original work. Hit OK and your assignment is ready to go. And there you have it, your guide to saving time with Kami and Questions AI.